Hi, the following is an example of how an IT DevOps team can use Buzzy and IBM Watson Workspace to help improve the way that they interact and collaborate. So in this example, we've got IBM Watson Workspace on the right-hand side and we've got Buzzy on the left-hand side. We've got a purpose-built application for this DevOps team. And one of the things they need to do is before they do a major change, they actually need to go through a take five safety check. So they need to think about what they're going to do. So things like they'll go through a checklist. They might have information about a change that's going in that's going to be resolved. The status of it. They might have a link to GitHub, maybe some files, some screenshots, and extra information. On the right-hand side, you've got a chat service, which is ultimately IBM Watson Workspace, where that team can communicate and collaborate. As things happen, IBM Watson actually picks up on the intents and can do things like suggest a template like the one on the left-hand side, or perhaps some other templates, and also allow them to discuss things and come to a resolution easily, resolve issues, work on designs together, and so on. Now, one of the things that is really cool with IBM Watson Workspace is, as part of those conversations, I mentioned before that Watson actually can recognize what's been said. So if I said, let's just say we're having a conversation, so what is happening with issue, ID 123, and without having to go and actually check the application on the left-hand side, Watson will recognize that something's been looked for and actually probably knows the answer to it. If the user clicks on that, it will generate this query, which is to a custom slash command. Now, you can set up all sorts of custom slash commands, and then it will actually give the result. So this result over here and that custom slash command is completely customizable. So you can come into Buzzy and you can come in and change things like the fields that you're capturing. There's tons of different types of fields you can capture data with. And then these are all the slash commands. So the really cool thing was that Watson bridged the gap between this conversation and what was happening in it and the query over here. Now, obviously, you can include a whole bunch of other information in your application, things like curated news or feeds, or RSS feeds, links to documentation, wiki-like capabilities, and so on. So we've got all this persistent data, this workflowed, structured data mixed together with this conversational data that allows resolutions and teams to work together in a way that they probably would have found it quite difficult in the past. So thanks for watching. Hope you have fun using IBM Watson Workspace and Buzzy. Look forward to hearing what you do with it.